This is a 6.2 litre supercharged manual Defender 110. Hi guys, this is Wombat and it's for sale. So here we have a 580 horsepower LSA Defender. So that's a supercharged 6.2 litre that will propel this 110 to 0 to 60 pretty damn fast. This car is packing our 2.65 pre-runner Bilstein shocks with a 2-inch lift kit. It's also got our AP Racing brake kit. Just look at those. It's got a 6-point safety devices roll cage with a roof rack, perfect for the overlanding kind of guy. In the back, guys, we've got a full Alpine sound system, fully installed, ready to rock. We've got these lovely storage bins here, guys, where you can put your accessories. Inside this box, we've got an ARB compressor, plug in on there, on and off there. Compressor is mounted just inside here, and there's plenty of room for your extra bits and bobs that we always keep inside the back. And for those of you that love the manuals and the ultimate driving machine, this has a Tremec Magnum gearbox, so a 6-speed manual behind this mighty 6.2 litre supercharged engine. When we originally built this car, we built it for the client who wanted a unique dash. He wanted something totally custom, so we made this. This is all out of aluminium. Listen to that. So all out of sheet aluminium. We folded it to replicate. We wanted to give it like an aircraft fighter pilot kind of look. We've got the winch control here that lives in its little housing. We've got toggles for the windows. We've got push buttons for the rear wiper. The heater controls we kept original. The Chevrolet badge, of course, to resemble the monster that's built under the bonnet. AC is on a toggle switch. Down the back here, we've got a vintage Clayton heater that warms up the back of the car. For those of you that know in Defenders, heaters are not a strong point in Defenders, so we fitted a Clayton in the back there that runs off the coolant system from the engine. And of course, we've gone with the all-important Dakota Digital dash up the front here. You can change what the centre of the screen shows you guys, so if you want to see something more important, you can literally toggle through here and change what you see. And for the most important thing, check out the boost gauge. That is from a Spitfire. So the quad exhaust system complements this 6.2 litre LSA perfectly. I think what's going to sell this car is the pure induction noise. So we built this car roughly 2 years ago now. Our client that's from London, he didn't use the car as much as he wanted to, so he's only got 3,600 miles on the clock. So this car, I want to say it's just run in, guys. So whoever out there is going to get one hell of a deal. Everything still feels tight, the steering feels tight, the brakes feel sharp, and the car is just fun. The exhaust note and induction noise is definitely addictive for those seeking power. You get a cheeky bit of torque steer there, guys, if you're brave enough. What I love about Wombat is it's a manual. You can get the ultimate out of this LSA engine, and the best bit is if you love that noise, you can control where you want that noise. So to give you an example, I'm just giving it quarter throttle, if that, and you get that lovely noise of the induction in the V8. And you can just tease this car into any gear. The clutch, I want to say it's nowhere near as strong as a TD5 clutch. And what I mean by strong, I mean as in the pedal strength, as in to put it down. So as I'm driving along here, I almost want to say the missus would be quite happy driving this. And the confidence the brakes give you, this car picks up speed relatively fast, as you can imagine. It's 6.2 litres with a supercharger, and it just wants to go. It's packing some serious tyres. I almost want to say this car, if anything it is, it's ready to go overlanding. So you could go overlanding, you could go on weekend expeditions. She's ready to rock, guys, so dig deep and get it bought. So if you would like to own this awesome truck, we're looking for circa £150,000.